Hello everyone, and welcome back to Talk English World. Today's message is simple but powerful. Truth always wins. Let me ask you something. Have you ever been in a situation where telling the truth felt difficult? Maybe you were afraid of consequences. Maybe you thought a small lie would make things easier. You're not alone. This happens to everyone. But here's the thing. Lies may feel convenient in the moment, but they don't last. Truth, on the other hand, has a quiet strength. It may take time, but eventually it rises to the surface. Let's imagine a simple story. A young employee makes a mistake at work. No one notices it. He has two choices: hide it or admit it. At first, he thinks, if I stay quiet, everything will be fine. But deep inside, he feels stress. He worries someone will find out. The next day, he decides to tell his manager the truth. He expects anger, maybe even punishment. But something surprising happens. The manager appreciates his honesty. Instead of losing trust, he gains respect. Why? Because honesty builds trust in. Trust is everything. In American culture, especially in workplaces and relationships, honesty is highly valued. People may forgive mistakes, but they don't easily forget dishonesty. That's why telling the truth, even when it's hard, is always the better choice. Truth is like light. You can try to cover it, but eventually it shines through. Lies are like shadows, they disappear when the light appears. Now, this doesn't mean truth is always easy. Sometimes, telling the truth can feel uncomfortable. It can cost you something in the short term, but in the long run, it protects your reputation, your relationships, and your peace of mind. Think about it. When you are honest, you don't have to remember different versions of a story. You don't have to feel guilty. You feel free. So next time you face a difficult choice, remember this. Truth may be slower, but it is stronger. Before we end, here's a simple practice. Try to be honest in small things every day. Speak clearly. Be real. Over time, honesty becomes a habit, and that habit shapes your character. Thank you for listening today. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to follow Talk English World for more simple and powerful English learning content. And always remember, truth always wins.